So you decided to buy new windows, and I'm going to tell you 3 ways you could get burned if you're looking for energy efficiency and how you may not get it. Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the founder of the Window Experts, and I want to talk to you today about these 3 things that have come to my attention as I've been selling windows for 15 years. Number 1 is this Energy Star NFRC guideline to tell us what this window is actually doing and how it performs. You talk about your U factor, your solar heat gain, the visible transmission, and of course, air infiltration ratings. And this is a standardized way of measuring things. It's a way of saying, for example, miles per gallon. How many miles per gallon does one car get versus another car? And if you're looking for energy efficiency, you're thinking about how to reduce your heating bill or your cooling bill, or how to make your house more comfortable by having less air transfer from the outside to the inside and inside to the outside, you're probably looking at this. And if you're an engineer type, right, you're the kind of guy or girl that thinks about numbers, you're probably building a spreadsheet and you're going through it and you're saying, Company A does this, Company B does that, Company C, Company D. And I can tell you that where you might stop and take a look closely is when they came up with this performance, where did they measure the performance by? And this is where they get you, okay? There's 2 ways of measuring energy performance that are both considered acceptable, but it's in the fine print. There's what we call center of glass, where they take the center of glass, pick a spot on the glass, they measure it, and then they give you the center of glass performance. And then there's what we call the whole product measurements, which are measurements that include the frame's efficiency, the glass efficiency, all of the components in a window combined to equal a total global whole product efficiency measurement. In this case, I'm going to read it to you and we'll pop it up on the screen. Manufacturer stipulates that these ratings conform to applicable NFRC procedures for determining whole product performance. Whole product performance. If you don't see that on the label, it may not be a whole product performance test. And so if I just measure the center of the glass, right, I'm not including what the frame is. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you have a highly efficient piece of glass, but the frame itself is made out of a very thin wall vinyl that's not going to help resist the heat very well. Or it's made out of aluminum, which transfers more heat. The center of glass is going to look great, but once you install it, the overall performance is actually not going to be what you thought you were going to get. So that's number 1. Number 2, size actually matters. So we talk about how do they measure this? Now we talk about what size are they measuring, because a small window is going to have typically better energy efficiency ratings than a large window. You say, why, Jeff? I'm scratching my head. I don't get it. Okay, well, think about this. If we're talking about whole product measurement, okay, and out of our product, it's 80% glass, 20% frame, that's going to be different than if it's 50% glass and 50% frame. So the frame's going to perform better than the glass, and so you might end up with a better sticker that gives you whole product performance, and you say, oh, I'm going with that company, but the sample that they brought to your house is small. It's not representative of the great big window you've got in the back of your house. And if they could give you that measurement, it might be horrible. So you say, well then Jeff, what do I do about that? I know, good question. What you do is you insist that whoever's giving you a proposal for windows gives you a line item, detailed printout, window by window by window by window, showing the energy performance for each individual window. It is available. If they say no, they don't make that, they're lying. They do make it. Anybody who has an NFRC rated window has data for each individual window. Some window companies will come out to your house and say, okay, I'm going to replace 10 windows for $20,000. And then, well, is it a good window? Absolutely. It is below 0.30 on the U factor and it's below 0.25 on the solar heat gain. You're like, okay, that sounds good. That's what I want. Now, maybe some of the windows are, maybe some of them aren't, maybe all of them are, but how will you know until you actually get that data? That's number 2. Number 3 thing that's important when you're buying windows for energy efficiency is going to be, how are they installing it? Now, I could get into that for an hour or 2 because I'm so passionate about that. What good is it to have a great window and then install it poorly? Think about this. If you and I went down to the butcher and we went down there and they had $9 a pound ribeyes Or $39 a pound ribeye, and we bought the $39 pound ribeye, but I'm a terrible griller and I burned the snot out of it, right? You're gonna say, Jeff, that steak's not very good. You're gonna blame the cow for that. Don't blame the window cow if the chef who's putting your window in stinks at what he does, okay? So it's not just the window, it's who's installing it. So there's a few things you should look for when you're installing a window, and I've got this great video below, you can watch that one, where I go into great detail, but I hope this video has helped you, if you're looking for energy efficiency, be a little bit smarter. Because I believe that the more information you have, the smarter, better decisions you'll make, because it makes you more powerful. You know, when you have a window guy out, you can now ask him, say, in fact, cover up the sticker and say, let me ask you, is this a center of glass measurement or a whole product measurement? Sir, this is the entire amazing product measurement. There's no such thing as an amazing product measurement, okay? Tell me. And if that guy can't tell you how his window's rated, then kick him out of the house and call a professional. Speaking of professionals, if you're in Texas, I can help you. If you live somewhere else, I've got buddies all over the country that do a great job. Check it out. It's jeffslist.com.